Hello everyone, I'm TooMany UK. This is PMUK Preps, an infrequent series where I'm going to show those of you who don't know the stuff that those of us who've been at this a while consider sort of easy. We're going to start with perhaps the most important thing, which is how to install mods. Now, I've got Minecraft here. It's 1.0. I'll just run it to show you. Log in. So there we go, completely fresh install of Minecraft 1.0. No worlds made on and nothing else. So let's say we want to install BuildCraft. It's a very popular mod. Lots of you are looking forward to using it, I'm sure. To start with, you're going to need some prerequisites other than Minecraft. In this particular case, you're going to want an archiving program that's capable of opening jar files, which is what Java things come as, and potentially zips and some other formats. Now I prefer to use 7-zip because A, it's completely free, and B, it's actually pretty good. The other big suggestion I would say to you is you might want to, if you don't like free software and let's say you don't trust free software, download WinRAR. There'll be a link to the WinRAR website down in the more info section, because that also opens jar files and it also opens zip files. So, having got your archiver, the next thing you want to do is download the prerequisite files for BuildCraft. If you go to the BuildCraft website, again, link will be down down in the more info section, but it's right there. The prereqs for BuildCraft are ModLoader, ModLoader MP, and Minecraft Forge. I've already downloaded all those, and they're in my prerequisites folder, just waiting to be installed. So to install those, you've got a little bit of work to do. So I'll leave that folder where it is for now. In fact, no, I'll do that with it, and I'm going to open up another Explorer window. What you want to do in the address section of the Explorer window, or a Explorer window, is type %appdata% and press return. Now at the top here you'll find a .minecraft folder. That's where Minecraft lives when you first run it. Now if you open up the bin file, you'll find there's a minecraft.jar. So find your minecraft.jar. Now if you're using 7-zip on a 64-bit Windows, after you've installed 7-zip, and it's a very simple click, next, 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 so on and so forth, install, right click on minecraft.jar, go to 7-zip and open archive. That'll get you a window that looks something like this. I'm going to drag that over to that side of the screen. Now the first of the prerequisites, because these have to be installed in this order, is ModLoader. Again, right click, 7-zip, open archive. I'm going to drag that over to the right. Now all you need to do to install ModLoader is take all of these files here and drag them into the jar. So Control A to select them all, drag and drop, and a confirmation will come up and we say yes. Now you've got two choices here. You can either install all the prerequisite files, all three of them, one after another, and then run Minecraft, or you can install them one at a time and run Minecraft each time. Personally, I don't see the point in doing that. I'm going to do all three and then run it. So open archive again, Control A to select all, drag and drop, and yes. And finally, Minecraft Forge. 7-zip, open archive, drag it across, Control A to select everything, drag and drop, and yes for all. Right, so that's all our prerequisites installed. Now the next step is compulsory. Close all the 7-zip windows, but you don't need to close these Explorer windows right now. Run Minecraft. This is vitally important because if anything's gone wrong, you're not going to know until you run Minecraft. So here we go, run it, log in. Oh, already I've made a mistake. If you make a mistake, you'll get a black window and it won't go any further than this. Now in this particular case, what I've done is I've forgotten to delete a folder inside of the Minecraft.jar. So I'm going to reopen it. Here in the Minecraft.jar there is a meta-inf folder. What you need to do is delete that folder from the jar. This is vitally important. If you don't do that, you get a black screen like you've just seen. Kind of useful that I did that. You get to see what can go wrong. So there we go. I've deleted the meta-inf. I've closed 7-zip again. Let's try again. Run Minecraft, log in, and this time we get the splash. So here we are, Minecraft 1.0. There's nothing extra to see at this point. Everything you've done up to this point happens in the background, which is kind of handy. So what I'm going to do is quit the game again, and we'll get on with actually doing something that we can see. So now, let's say you've downloaded BuildCraft, and I'm also going to show you TooMany Items because that's rather nice, and I'll show you Minecraft resolutions as well because that makes a difference if you're going to be recording your Minecraft play sessions. So we'll start with, let's start with resolutions. I'm not entirely sure how you install resolutions. I've done it twice, but you'd think I'd remember. So what we're going to do is type Minecraft resolutions into a Google search, and the top hit is the Minecraft Forge page for it. So how to install: open up your Minecraft jar, copy it into the jar, close the archive and save if asked. Right, so there we go. Nice and easy. That's just what we've done previously. We do it again. 7-zip, open archive, and we'll drag it across to make that slightly easier. Minecraft resolutions, 7-zip, open archive, drag it across to make that slightly easier. Select all, drag and drop, say yes. Right, so again, close all the 7-zip windows, and let's run Minecraft with Minecraft resolutions installed. So now we should get in view settings our first changes. There we go, down the bottom. Video size, that's the current size of the window. I'm going to make it 720p, which is of course 1280 by 720. There we go. The other thing I'm going to do is change the GUI scale to normal, which is my preferred favourite. So done, done. So now if we quit and restart, Minecraft will run in a 720p window once it gets to... oh, it didn't. Oh, I know what I did wrong. I didn't do current size default. Done, done. Quit, and just to show you what happens when you do that, run, log in again. There you go, 720p screen size, and it's actually the window content that's 720p, not the outer border. So if you set it to 1080p, 1920 by 1080, you need to have a screen that does at least 1930 by 1100. If it does less than that, you won't get it full screen. And your best bet if you want to do full screen recording on a screen that is 1080p is when you start Minecraft, press F11, oh sorry, select the window and press F11, and it will full screen for you. And that will be 1080p if you have a 1080p screen. I don't. And to be honest, I don't see the point in recording at 1080p. 720p is more than good enough given what I do afterwards with my videos. So there we go, there's our first effect of doing an install. So let's quit the game again, and we'll move on to the BuildCraft installation. BuildCraft install is very simple because it uses mod loader. Unlike Minecraft Resolution and TooMany Items, it makes use of mod loader to do all the hard work. To install BuildCraft, after you've run Minecraft with mod loader installed, you'll find you have a mods folder. All you have to do is open that mods folder, select all the parts of BuildCraft you intend to install. I'm going to install it all for this video, and I'm going to right mouse button drag and drop and copy them into there. I'm not going to move. If I'd done, let's see, let's show you, if I delete those and do left button drag and drop, I move those files into the mods folder. And personally I don't want to do that, so I'm going to copy them back. So there we go. All the BuildCraft folders, sorry, all the BuildCraft mod archive files dragged and dropped into mods. Now again, if you run if you run Minecraft and log in, you're not immediately going to see an awful lot of difference. Everything's going to look the same here, and because I'm just about to run this, I'm going to turn this down to 10 and 10 so that the noises don't overwhelm you. I'm going to turn my field of view up to 80, which I prefer. I'm going to put it on hard. I'm going to do diddly 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 dee, OpenGL advanced on. I'm going to turn the brightness up to bright. Right, so there we go. Oh, I'll leave the controls at standard. So there we go. Let's do single player, create new world. I'll leave it called new world for now. I want it to be survival. In actual fact, let's make it hardcore just for the demonstration purposes. I'll leave it called new world though. Create new world. And a few seconds, there we go. A new world for us to play in. Now, again, there's not going to be an awful lot for you to see from BuildCraft because it's hard to show you the BuildCraft things without having lots of resources to start with. I might have gotten lucky and started near a mountain with some BuildCraft ores, but seems I didn't. So I'm just going to wander around. No, that doesn't look like there's any BuildCraft ores nearby that I can show you. So what I'm going to do is save and quit to title, quit the game, and I'm going to install TooMany Items. Now, what TooMany Items is, it's an in-game inventory editor, and it's really handy for showing you that things are installed. I could perhaps have installed this first so that you could have seen the BuildCraft things there, but I wanted to show you how to install modloader mods first. So for TooMany Items, it's yet again into the bin folder, open up your jar file, and open up your TooMany Items archive. Select everything, drag it and drop it into the jar file. Say yes, close and close. So, to show you what happens, fire up Minecraft again, go into our new world. So, there we go, same new world. To see any of the differences, we press E to open our inventory, and there we go, there is TooMany Items at its magnificent best. And oh look, there we go, lots of BuildCraft items down there waiting for us. So that shows us that we've got BuildCraft installed and we've got TooMany Items installed and working fine. Oops, no, wrong key. I ordinarily have the inventory button mapped to a different key, and I got a little bit confused there. So that's how you install mods in Minecraft, both the difficult way and the easy way, depending on whether it's a modloader mod or a directly added into the jar mod. Hope you found that interesting. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. That's what makes YouTube work. And I hope to see you in my Let's Play series, either the old one in 1.8.1 or the new one that I'll be doing in 1.0.0. Tatty bye for now.